We're live?
Live.
You mean we're live from Tijuana, Mexico? Here I am. I've always liked Saturday night. We actually are. Okay, now, hi, what's your name, Tawny?
Hi, I'm Tawny Sharp.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now, where'd you come from? What part of the world?
Here, pretty much I was born in Ohio and raised in California.
So you go all the way from California Norte and to California Baja.
Exactly.
Okay, now, this is not your first time here, I know.
No, it's not. Actually, it goes way back. When I was a kid, my parents used to come to Mexico, for health, holistic health. And so I always knew we got great treatment in Mexico. Not this particular clinic. I didn't know about them at the time.
But wait, I mean, you've heard the news up north. Mexico's dangerous.
Oh,
It's never dangerous. Okay, it's so ridiculous.
No, people were like, "You go to Mexico?" We're like, we have so much fun down there. I mean, we don't go hang out at the bars. I mean, I don't know what they're like, but
yeah, if you're trying to deal with gang members or something, don't do that stuff in LA either.
I was just gonna say, I work in LA. Don't do it in LA.
Yeah, LA's a hell of a lot more dangerous. Okay, yeah, we got sidewalk cafes down here that no one's telling you, like on Melrose, to don't wear jewelry. Okay, now, what have you taken advantage of, like the dental, the IVs, the chiropractic, all that stuff?
Well, yes, because there was a time in my life I'd kind of gotten away from going to Mexico. I'm holistic, so I don't do a lot of traditional doctors. But there came a point where I needed some dental work, and the dentists in my area, I couldn't afford them. And then Steve needed some dental work, so we decided this was a highly recommended clinic, and it looked beautiful on the website, and it certainly is. I absolutely love all of the geodes and amazing things.
I found this clinic around 25 years ago,
Wow.
and same thing. I'm looking for the best quality dental care, okay, and that's using the Huggins protocol. I mean, they do, everything's got a vitamin C IV, and it was a third the price.
Oh, you said the Huggins. I was thinking everybody hugs here. They do. They're so cute.
They are.
I love it, yeah.
Yeah, you get in trouble for hugging your staff members up
I
north,
know.
but down here, you got to start the day with a hug.
I know. Everybody's laughing and smiling and cracking jokes. It's fun.
You're not utilizing modern medical care?
Well, when it's needed, when I broke my, shoulder or my tibia and my fibia, I needed some.
Yeah, so for trauma.
Yeah.
Yeah, but not, you got to figure.
Not for health.
You
not
can't
for my
use
health.
drugs for health.
Right.
You can't give a prescription that alters your physiology and expect health.
Right.
Okay, so were you always the type of person to take charge of your own health?
Well, yes. But
See the confidence there? Yeah, I've got 3 blonde sisters, so I'm kind of intimidated right now.
But, well, my mom pretty much took care of all of that too. I mean, when I was a little kid and I had croup, which is like a bad whooping cough, I got mustard plasters on my chest rather than antibiotics. Now, when I met Steve, so my partner, he didn't know about those things. So about 4 years ago, he had a heart attack. And then my son, who knows that, we like alternative healthcare, started helping us with, you got to check this person out and this person. So he was sending us Dr. Bergman's YouTube.
Oh, no kidding. I didn't know that.
And so we had, seen a few here and there ourselves. And we're like, oh, yes, we love him. So we were watching, your health YouTubes and so forth. So we came down here for some dental work, and we're just enjoying the wonderful, recliner chairs and getting our healthy drips that are just like phenomenal. I don't know what we would pay for them at home, but we certainly couldn't do it there. And so we're relaxing and getting our drips and watching the monitors. And we're like, oh, Dr. Bergman comes down here. Oh my goodness. Look at that. We can get a whole, what do you call it? Your plan, but
Yeah.
your original healthcare very reasonably. So we were like, I think we'd like to do that. Let's come down and see Dr. Bergman.
I mean, taking charge of your health, that's why, I would not add anything more to this clinic. We've got dental detox, Huggins protocol, and that means you're getting vitamin IVs during that. We find anything. We got minor surgery center, we got stem cells, we've got, I mean, everything. But we don't just shoot everybody with stem cells. We fix the body first. We detox the body. We get the body healthy first. And then, if you need stem cells, we grow them right here.
It's amazing because at home, I don't think I would even have time to do everything that we've had done here, because you have to make an appointment and get one thing done, and then, then they make you come back just for one more thing, and it's just a whole rigmarole. Here, everybody works together and it's phenomenal. Okay, you're getting your dental work done. Well, we can work that in with your chiropractic, and then we'll do the drips in between. And, and then, I need to talk to a surgeon about something. Oh, okay, well, he's down the hall. Or do you want to get, some kind of facial? Sure, well, in between this and that, you get it's just great.
It's really cool.
It really is.
Okay, so take charge of your health, okay? If you're, like I was just talking to a couple of patients, they're in that room still.
Fabulous patients.
Showing a structure like this, and their doctor was suggesting steroid injections for back pain. Okay, for me, that's like fingernails on a chalkboard.
Yes.
And so I asked him, I said, okay, so this is what your x-ray looks like. What area you're gonna inject to straighten the body up?
Exactly.
It's
Mine
insane.
My x-ray was kind of like that too.
Oh
so
yeah, your
this was
post x-ray
pretty cool.
looking rough.
Yeah, but wow, what a difference. But chiropractors in the States were like, well, we can't really fix this. Like, they could give me adjustments, but as far as really hoping to get straight again, was like, well, we can't fix it, but we can adjust you.
Ugh.
So,
It doesn't mean that what we do is right and what others do is wrong. It's like the difference between our Huggins protocol dentist and the standard one. The standard one will give you a good cleaning. The standard chiropractor, you get a good adjustment, you'll feel better.
Right.
But if you want to do pre and post x-rays that document structural and neurologic changes, that's why we got the 7 questions. It's hard to find them.
What really was helpful too for us is that Dr. Bergman has a clinic also in Huntington Beach, so it was very doable for us to be able to come down here sometimes when we need everything, and when we need just intermittent adjustments to be able to go to Huntington Beach. That's just
Thank
really
you, God.
helpful.
And now we're open 5 days a week, so that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
I know Fridays is a big deal.
Yeah.
So what would you say to someone? And I'm talking the standard person, the average person over 60 is taking pill prescriptions. Okay, you're not even close
No,
to over
nothing.
60 yet, and I am over 60. Okay, so
I
but I
am.
mean, neither one of us are doing drugs.
Right.
Somebody's
No.
making up for us.
Yeah.
So what are you going to tell that person that's scared to doing anything? They're following their doctor's recommendation. They're sick and hurt.
Stop being sick and hurting.
Very clear.
Come get fixed. And no, honestly, you have to take control of your own health. You can't expect the doctor to do it. The doctor does what he can, but you have to take responsibility as to what you put in your body, and that's whether it's natural things or drugs. But really, nobody can do it for you. We can get help, but we have to want to be better and give our bodies the right tools.
That's what I tell everybody. The best doctor in the world's inside of you.
Right.
Okay? And that's the only way. The chiropractors can't heal anything. What we do is remove the interference and the body heals itself. That makes sense.
You just help, and you're just amazing help.
God bless you, my dear.
Yes.
Thanks for inspiring.
Hey, thank you.
Get here, take care of yourself now.